7th with the Giants leading at 5-0. First pitch to the left, 22 2/3 innings of work. 51 strikeouts, 23 walks. As his 1-0 home run back in the first inning. He looks at a pitch low, and it's 3-1. 3-1. Shaw from the stretch and delivers. And it misses low and in for ball 4. A leadoff walk for Bo Davidson to start the bottom of the 7th inning. A pitch clock violation, but he was able to walk anyway. As Shaw delivers strike 1. 2 right-handed bats in the lineup. 0-1 pitch waved at and missed. Trying to battle here down 0-2, and a throw over to first base sends Davidson diving back. The 0-2 pitch on the way inside with the fastball in the second half. 1-2 pitch on the way just inside with the fastball. 2-2 pitch, swing and a miss. Went after a high pitch at the top of the zone at 79 miles an hour. And another left-hand hitter steps in there. Shaw throws to first and checks on Naylor. This year for the Giants, number 13 overall, as he looks at ball 1 low. That also hits for great average as he swings at a high fastball and fouls it. 1-1 pitch on the way. High and outside for ball 2. 2-1 pitch. A called strike. Shaw from the stretch delivers on 2-2. Runner goes, and it's popped up on the infield. Coming across is the second baseman Naylor over toward the shortstop position to make the catch, and hustling back to first base. Up. First pitch to Peyton, a late swing and a foul back to the screen with San Jose. A pitch out, and now a throw back to first base by the catcher Amaya. Shaw from the stretch. Runner goes. 1-1 pitch is fouled back. In with the pitch count. And another check on first base. Davidson. Pitch on the way, and it's outside. 2-2. League level. 2-2 pitch, another one outside. Here's the payoff pitch from Shaw, and time is called just before he starts. Delivers. Line drive to center field, sinking, and it gets down for a base hit. Davidson easily into third, and runners on the corners with 2 outs for San Jose. The seventh rather, left-hand hitter takes a curveball for a strike. 0-1 pitch, a swing and a foul. Here 0-2. The pitch on the way. Fastball in there, strike 3 called, and that will end the inning. So Shaw gets out of the jam. Runners stranded at first and third, and we will head to the 8th inning. Giants leading the Ports. First pitch from Shaw on the way, and it's on the inside corner for a strike. The 0-1, breaking ball inside, 1-1. Team's first leadoff home run of the entire season. As the 1-1 pitch, a breaking ball inside, and then a 2-run home run by Lisbel Diaz. That's ripped to the right side, and a leaping catch at first base by Kurtz. 5, probably got another few feet off the ground. He does have an RBI and a run scored on the season. As the 1-1 pitch is in there for a call. Shaw delivers. Fastball inside. So some swing and miss in his game at this point. Just taps the 2-2 pitch foul. Here's the 2-2 from Shaw. Chopped to the right side, played at second base by Naylor on the infield grass, throws to first. Right-hand hitter steps in and swings at the first pitch, doesn't get it. It's 22 RBIs on the season. And a fastball at the knees for. Here's his 0-2 pitch. Breaking ball high and tight. 1 month. 1-2 pitch. Awaiting the 2-2, chops it to the right side, and that's going to get through for a base hit. Naylor was shading up the middle. Now it gets behind Beltran in right field, and an extra base for Diaz, who takes second. Looking for an RBI. And a pitch on the San Jose. Here's the 0-1 from Shaw. Swing and a miss. The kid from the Bahamas. 0-2 pitch in the count. Looks in and delivers on 1-2. And a tapper foul over bottom of the 8th inning. And And a turn and look back to second base. The 1-2 from Shaw. A little bit high for ball 2. 61 and 46 overall. 2-2 pitch fouled back. Already clinched the first half title. 2-2 pitch is a payoff pitch from Shaw. Swing and a miss. High pitch on the outer part of the plate at 80 miles an hour. And Reckley strikes out for the 3rd time tonight. We'll head to the 9th. Giants trying to put the finishing touches on this one.